The market for packaged snacks continues to expand today as more people prefer convenient foods that are easy to carry, store, and enjoy in a variety of flavors. At the same time, in many markets, consumers are showing growing interest in purchasing local brands that offer fresh and quality products. This has created new opportunities for small-scale home-based food businesses. So today in this video, we will see 10 types of snack business ideas that can be started on a small scale at home and later expanded into a large production unit. While it is easy to start a snack business from home, expanding it into a commercial production unit requires significant investment, compliance with regulations, and challenges such as establishing a foothold in the market. To succeed in 2026, a product recipe alone is not enough. A strong distribution strategy and operational capability are essential. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only. Ensure you conduct your own thorough research before starting any business. So come on, let's get started. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Banana chips manufacturing business. Banana chips are among the most accessible snack products to start on a small scale or in your home kitchen with basic frying equipment. Chopping tools and sealing machines also help. Fresh raw bananas, cooking oil, salt and spices are the primary ingredients, which, while simple moisture-proof packaging helps maintain product quality. Before expanding to online sales, you can first distribute to nearby grocery stores, tea shops, offices and local supermarkets. Different flavors such as salt, pepper and spices can increase customer interest without making the product too complicated. As demand increases, production can gradually be shifted from home to a dedicated food production unit. Number 2. Murukku manufacturing business. Murukku is one of the most popular traditional snacks across many parts of India. It is well suited for small-scale home-based manufacturing businesses. However, this sector faces intense competition. Initially, production can be started with dough preparation, shaping equipment, frying pans, and small sealing machines. Rice flour, gram flour, spices, sesame seeds, and cooking oil are commonly used ingredients for various recipes. Attractive packaging and consistent taste help small companies compete with large manufacturers in local markets. As customer orders increase, additional machines will improve production speed while maintaining product quality. Number 3. Roasted peanut snacks business. Producing roasted peanut snacks can be managed with structured production steps. You can often start making a variety of product options at home, including salted, spiced, chili, and pepper-coated peanuts, using a roasting machine, spice hopper, weighing scale, and airtight packaging equipment. These products are commonly sold throughout the year at local grocery stores, tea shops, offices, and supermarkets. Proper roasting, cooling, and airtight packaging help maintain freshness and extend shelf life. Once regular wholesale orders start coming in, larger frying equipment will help increase production capacity. Number 4. Makhana snacks manufacturing business. Flavored Makhana is becoming increasingly popular among customers looking for high-quality packaged snacks. So you can start in a small home setup with roasting equipment, spice containers, cooling trays, and a small packaging machine. Various spice choices such as peri-peri, mint, cheese variety, and plain salt varieties allow for product diversification without changing the core process. High-quality packaging and consistent product quality help attract customers in supermarkets and online marketplaces. Once sales are steady, you can shift production to a larger commercial food production unit. Number 5. Popcorn manufacturing business. Another business that can be started from home using a commercial popcorn machine and simple packaging equipment is the production of ready-to-eat popcorn. Products can be created in a variety of flavors such as butter, caramel, cheese, and spices. Following the same production method, small-sized packets are ideal for sale to local shops, schools, offices, and distributors. Fresh preparation and proper packaging ensures that the product retains the crispiness that customers desire. As demand increases, you may consider investing in larger automated production machinery and higher capacity packaging systems. Number 6. Namkeen manufacturing business. Instead of trying to make a wide variety of products right away, you can start small-scale Namkeen production from home by focusing on 1 or 2 ingredients. Basic frying equipment, mixers, weighing equipment, and sealing machines allow for production to be done on a controllable scale while maintaining quality. Save, mixer, spiced peanuts, and shivra continue to be popular items in many regions. Initially, supplying to local grocery stores and building a base of repeat customers helps generate steady demand. As the number of orders increases, you can expand your business with a semi-automatic machine. Number 7. Millet snacks business. Millet snacks continue to attract attention as many customers prefer products made from traditional grains like ragi, sorghum, and pearl millet. You can start making small grain snacks like biscuits, snack mixes, crackers, and snack bars from home with a small machine. Depending on the product type, the ingredients include millet flour, spices, cooking oil, and natural flavoring. Hygienic packaging and clear ingredient information help build customer trust. The growing interest in millet products may present opportunities for differentiated entrants for small brands. Number 8. Baked snacks manufacturing business. You can start making small packaged snacks such as crackers, sticks, and savory bites on a small factory scale or at home using commercial baking ovens. Ingredients like flour, grains, herbs, spices, and seasonings allow you to create a variety of flavor combinations without requiring complex manufacturing processes. Along with traditional fried snacks, packaged goods are attracting customers looking for more product variety. Good recipe consistency and attractive packaging help create a professional look even for a home-based business. Number 9. Potato chips manufacturing business. Potato chips are an established snack category that can see mass market demand, but competition is also very strong. You can start a small-scale potato chips production business from home with a proper food preparation area, slicing machines, frying equipment, and sealing machines. You can target local retailers, supermarkets, canteens, and distributors by creating categories like plain salt, spices, tomatoes, and regional flavors. Selling through nearby retailers initially leads to valuable customer feedback before expanding to larger markets. Number 10. Dry fruit snack manufacturing business. Dry fruit snack packs have become popular as consumers prefer bite-sized snack options for travel, office use, and gifting. So you can start a home business of selecting and packaging quality almonds, cashews, raisins, and pistachios, peanuts, and seeds in the initial stages. The primary equipment required is weighing equipment, sealing machines, and attractive packaging. High-quality packaging and meticulous quality control help build customer trust and encourage repeat purchases. As sales grow, the business can expand to include customized gift boxes and large-scale production. So friends, these are just a few of the snack manufacturing business ideas that can start from a small home setup and gradually grow into large manufacturing businesses. Before considering these concepts, understand that the packaged food sector in 2026 is highly competitive. New entrants must account for rising raw material costs, rigorous FSSAI compliance, and the immense difficulty of securing shelf space in local retail. Many small-scale food businesses struggle in their early stages due to inconsistent quality control, limited distribution, inadequate working capital, or the absence of a clear, unique selling proposition. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.